Hello friends, and thank you for joining me today for another altered book page. In order to set the foundation for this page, I'm going to use some rose gold acrylic paint and focus on the edges. I will be using another one of the pages that I got from a small calendar that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. And I absolutely love this calendar page because it has this typewriter on it. Now I'm going to attach a miniature envelope, and inside of it I will put a journaling card. I'm going to trim a regular sized note card that I found at Salvation Army actually, and I'm trimming it to fit into the miniature envelope. Now I'm going to create another small pouch for some additional journaling tucks. To create this little pouch, I'm using some leftover cardstock and some duct tape. Well, that page is done. That was super easy and fun. Now for the other side, I actually had found this birthday card at, I think, Salvation Army, but I'm not sure. At any rate, it was a birthday card. I cut it to fit this page because I absolutely love the bicycle on this card. It's gold embossed and it's just super pretty. So I'm going to use that, and I'm super excited to use a feather that's been painted gold. I bought these a while back at Walmart and have just been waiting for the perfect page to use these on. So I've got a gold one here, and I'm going to glue that on, and I'm just so excited I get to use it. Now I am adhering an envelope, and I will go ahead and embellish this and then add a journaling card for it. Just to give this journaling card a little bit of dimension, I'm going to put a little bit of a gold right around the edges of it. I finally get to adhere the feather, and I've decided to use fabric tack to do that. On the envelope that I attached, I'm writing the words, "Write about it." This was a pretty quick and easy page to create, and yet it still has a lot of interest. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this page. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. I really appreciate you watching. See you soon.